Welcome back. My name is Carly Jones, and I'm an employment attorney at the Manifest Justice Law Corporation. Today on this channel, I'm going to answer a question that we get all of the time. Very common question and very fair question. The question has a very generic lawyer response to it, but we are going to answer it nonetheless. So the question is, how long after I sign my settlement check do I get my money? How long after we settle will I have money in hand, money in the bank, moolah, moolah, moolah? Fair question. The generic lawyer response is that it depends. It depends on where you live in the country, depends on your jurisdiction and what the norm is for that area. In general, very blanket answer response is that it will take 4 to 6 weeks from the date you sign the settlement until you have the check in your hand. That's like with the expectation that it's a fully agreed upon settlement agreement. Both sides have already agreed on every single term. It's accurately signed and dated and like executed properly. That if all things are correct, then it should take 4 to 6 weeks on average to get from settlement to your hand. There's also, again, incidents where it's not signed correctly, incidents where it's not actually a complete final settlement agreement. You're just still in the phase of negotiating terms for the settlement agreement. And then there's also the situation where there might be a specific term or a unique term in the settlement agreement that outlines a different timeline. Sometimes settlements are paid in like lump sums, like as of milestones. Sometimes they're paid out over an extended period of time. And so there could be a term in the actual settlement agreement itself that outlines a different plan. And if that's true, if there's a different term in your specific settlement agreement and it outlines a different timeline from 4 to 6 weeks, then you would follow what your settlement agreement says. And if there's no term about the settlement timeline, then you can estimate, you can go ahead and assume it's going to be 4 to 6 weeks. I don't really know how much more I can share or talk about this topic 'cause there's not that much to it, but that maybe there is. If you have a question or if you think I didn't explain this well, please drop a comment below. Let me know, and I will make another video as soon as I get the chance explaining or answering your new question, trying to explain again or answer your question. If you found this video helpful, I want to know that as well. So you can go ahead and leave a comment, let me know that as well, or a like. You can also give it a share. Let your friends know. Hopefully this video was informative and empowering and will help you get paid. That's my main goal. Okay, well, that's really all I have for today. As you know, pretty much everyone works, but not everyone is safe at work. And I'm here to make sure you know the difference. All right, bye, y'all.